Hey everyone. Well, it's November. It's after Halloween. We had some warm temperatures, so I kind of put this off until we're now expected to get into the cooler, like, less than 60-degree temperatures. Garlic planting time. This is Bogatyr and Russian Red. So the bed is all set here. I added some compost from the back, which was basically 15 years worth of leaves, grass clippings, just thrown back there to rot. So I mixed that in and we are ready to plant. It says to put them down about 1 to 3 inches deep. You want to plant them this side down. This is the stem that's going to actually sprout. That's going to develop into the roots. And so it wants to be in the ground like that. Trying to make sure I get down. I want to get down those 1 to 3 inches. I'm going to go about 6 inches apart from each other. Let's get that soil out of the way. Get the clove in. And then cover it up. Okay. The soil is really dry because we've not had rain for about a month, so I'll give the new cloves a watering. Next, I'm covering the bed with some crumpled leaves that will provide some insulation from the bitter cold once winter fully sets in, as well as some additional fuel as these leaves rot. Alright, that's pretty much it. I'm going to let this sit over the winter and probably pull some of these leaves off come springtime once the sprigs have started to come up. I know last year we had a couple of warm spells and these ended up going about through the winter about this high, so they started to sprout. So I'll see what happens this year and I'll take you along for the ride. Thanks for watching. As always, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, that way you can follow all the rest of my videos. Until the next video, see you later.